Hey guys, welcome back. So today I'm gonna be decorating for Christmas. I'm so excited to be taking everything out. I hope you guys enjoyed today's video, and also if you are new here, please consider subscribe. Let's gonna start cleaning everything out. So chicos, si son nuevos, no olviden suscribirse y vamos a empezar limpiando. And those my favorite pieces all of the year. Son mis piezas favoritas, mis renos que me costaron. So voy a crear mi familia, mi esposo, yo y mi baby born. Vamos a poner esto afuera y ya regreso. Just gonna put this outside and I'll be back. So my husband is helping me with the lights in the Karbglam. Yes, mi esposo está poniendo las luces. Ya yo puse la Karbglam y ahora me toca limpiar todo esto y poner los cojines. Pero primero voy a ir ensamblando mi coffee area. Este mug lo hice, me encanta este jojojo y yo lo diseñé DIY en pink. Es el que mache mejor la pijama que me pondré. So I love this DIY and I copy from Tanya. If you follow me on Instagram, you know who is Tanya, okay? So my candy cane, these are the colors I choose to stay. I choose like pink and I choose like red. Estos son los colores que cogí este año, que son rosa y rojo. Pero voy a estar cambiando esta decoración mucho, así que estén pendientes de mis vlogs. So this is all the new stuff I found for this candy bakery area. Estos son todos los dulces que conseguí para mi área de horneado y de tomar café, chocolate caliente. So yes, just gonna put it on a bun. Ready. So this is how this area turned out. I love it. So beautiful, so cozy. I love to play those music. They're amazing. So if you notice, I missed one sock, but I couldn't find exactly the same. But I definitely gonna be, so you can follow me in the blogs. All Christmas vlog, and this is the reason for the season so important. So me falta una media, pero la consigo en estos días. No he conseguido exactamente. Yo sé cómo lucen los árboles. El área de mi hijo jugar, de mi pequeño Joshua. Y así con todos los cojines ya armados y todo ya limpio. And just this look, this is like mi pequeño área donde juega con plastilina. This is a playground area, breakfast table, this little chair, baby, yeah, it's called outside. So yeah, this is the kitchen, how it looks. I don't like to put anything, I just take out this because it's beautiful, but I'm thinking what to put, not that much, just napkins, and this will match my spoon rester, and that is everything. I just want is baking stuff literally and watch TV. That's everything, more napkins, and that's it. This is my favorite piece. I love so much just a pillow. I forgot to mention I found it on Home Goods, so it's gonna rest forever. So guys, thank you so much. This is how everything look. I hope you enjoy. Just like every single space for something simple, nothing like you are used to be in this channel. So stay tuned in my vlogs because the table gonna change a little bit. So estén pendientes porque la mesa va a cambiar mucho. En los vlogs lo verán. Y ahí está. So guys, that was everything for today's video. I hope you enjoyed this tour and decorating with me as much as I did. So guys, I don't have nothing else to say. That happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Remember, Jesus is the reason for the season. Recuerden, Jesús es la razón de la Navidad. Tengan una muy feliz Navidad, les deseamos nosotros. Y nos vemos en la próxima. Bye.